All right.
Bautista hit another homer. Hold on.
So Jose Bautista.
Yeah.
Bautista.
All right, go ahead.
All right. Here we go. 2015 Gypsy Queen Baseball.
Remember, flip through the base, stop at the inserts.
All right.
Read those ones, but that's it. Ooh, a trout would be sweet. Pompiato. Bench warmers.
All right. Here we go.
Good luck, everyone. Oh, God.
There's a midget box. Okay. So, you do this first or last or what?
I always do it last.
All right, I'll do it last. I'll set it there. Here we go. Well, these
I think Jeremy has a bunch of bench warmers too, if I remember correctly. I'd love to see a mini book. I want to see something come out of one of these mini boxes.
base. Mini. The Giants.
I always set those in another pile so it doesn't fall over.
Okay. And we got a hit right off
Midget
the
book.
bat. Game used memorabilia. Wainwright for the Cardinals.
Right there.
Bo, B-O-R. And my finger was right on it.
It's discriminatory.
There's no numbers on that. Set that off here. Some more base. Am I missing here? Or am I good?
Nope, you're good. Little people.
Little people. Base. Do every one of these packs have minis? Those mini cards on it?
Yes.
Okay. Mazeroski for the Pirates. And our mini Steel. No numbers on that. And a couple more base. Base. Our mini is Dula. And our insert is Hamilton. Glove Stories. Is that better? All right. I'm rusty. I'm not going to lie about that. That's that black box you're talking about?
Black box.
Base. Mini. Fernando Rodney. Parker for the Pirates. All base. Alright. Base. Mini is Peavy. Plavy.
PV.
Gray. Insert. No number. Sunny Gray. Are they hating this right now? A couple base.
No.
Base. Mini is it Giles? Giles Mini. And the Nationals Worth. Jay.
Huh?
Jason Worth. There we go. I should just look on the back. Their full name's on there. And some base.
You're missing. If there's no insert,
Yeah.
that means there's a short print.
Oh. How can you tell?
Because there's no insert.
Did you guys catch something that I missed? Like I said, it's been a while.
That one right there.
How can you tell?
Because there's no insert in the pack. And then it's a high number, anything above 300.
Oh. Gotcha. I will do my best to pay attention. Here we got some base. Silver. Mini. 3 of 199 for Don Sutton for the Dodgers. That's going to be Damian SMI. Soroza.
You guys are just excited for the bash. That's all
That's
you
some
want.
base. Why are you done with what you got to get done? You can hop in here if you want. If I'm moving too slow. Base. Mini is Harvey. Oh, there's an auto. Looks like on card. Vargas going to the Twins. Vargas going to the Twins. Heather BOR.
All the
No
any
numbers on
variations or SPs in Gypsy Queen are where the
We got some
inserts would
base.
be. So that should be right there. That Griffey should be a. Or no, it had an auto. Never mind.
Yeah, I was gonna say it.
Never mind. Instead of an insert, they put a variation or short print in there. And that's what I was just telling them.
Back to
Ooh,
back.
right.
Garcia Parra.
Yep.
Garcia Parra.
Yep.
Mini. And our next auto is
Matt Joyce.
Matt Joyce for the Rays. Eric HIL. Nice on-card auto. No numbers on that.
Joking about hating the break and hating mush.
Base. Who's that?
Eric said, "Yeah, we're hating this right now."
Are they?
Joking.
They are though. Whatever. I'm gonna pull something really cool here. Base.
That should be a variation right behind it.
Okay. Hayward for the Cardinals. Mini. And then we check to see. That is a variation. 355. Put that right there. And some base. Base. Our mini is, I believe it's Joe Mauer for the Twins.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a nice looking card. I can't see the
Nelson Cruz.
Nelson Cruz for the Mariners. That is numbered 108 of 499 for Seattle. Reggie GIE. Don't know what those are called. Those are pretty sharp looking. And some base.
Just a frame.
Just a frame card. disorganized. What?
Don't pull anything out. Whatever you do, do not pull anything out.
What do you mean?
You must have said something about pulling something out. I said, please, dear God, don't.
All right. Looks like a rookie mini. Boltinowitz. See, I got practice. I remember these rookie silver mini. Those numbered. That is numbered 19 of 199.
Who's that for?
Boltinowitz plays for the Braves, Atlanta Braves. Wesley ATH. Insert Eaton. And some base. Some base. Davis. Numbers.
Wade Davis.
Wade
That's
Davis.
Probably gonna be a variation.
Buster Posey. Yep, variation. And we have I know this guy, Bryce Harper. Pillars of the Community. Insert. And some base.
I hate Fultonevich or whatever that stupid name is.
Yeah. And some base.
How'd you say it?
Fultonowitz. I remember that one because you gave me crap for like 2 weeks after that. He's like, say Fultonowitz. Fultonowitz.
It's not, though. It's Fultonevich or something.
Fultonevich.
I
Anyways, the
Stupid
Queen's
name.
throwback. Rizzo.
Anthony Rizzo.
Anthony Rizzo. Insert. Red. Ooh, that's a. Yara. Iwihara for the Red Sox.
Koji.
Neil. KOL.
That's a short print, isn't it?
Yeah,
Super
it's
short print.
14 of 50.
Nice.
And some base. These open nice. Some of them are. Some base. Meat. Leak. Lake. Leak. Mini. Gypsy Queen. Cardinals. Insert. And base. Some base. McGuire. Mini. No numbers.
Don't listen to Rook, he says. You had it.
Gypsy Queen. Walk-off winners. Ibanez. Ibanez. Where are they playing that game at?
Kansas City.
Oh. I seen something shiny.
Just like a girl I used to know.
Oh, we got something good. We got some base. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. See, this is what I'm doing. All right. See this one off of it. It's a mini Musina mini, and we got a 101 printing plate. Don't know who that is.
Jim Palmer. The Orioles.
Called it 101 Jim Palmer printing plate. There's a little up in that corner
It's always
there.
the printing plates are always like that.
Oh, are they? Okay.
It's used in the printing process.
This exact thing.
Yes.
This is what makes all these
Flip
cards.
it around. Flip it over.
Oh, very cool. That other one was too, then I assume.
Yeah.
So this is going to the Orioles. Reggie, GIE, picking up the Jim Palmer 101 printing plate. We got a The Queen's throwback. Shields. Insert. Couple base. We got a mini Walker. Got a, what do you call these? A variation
Yeah.
of Sutter for the
Or-
Cardinals.
High number short print.
High numbered short print. Do you want me to tell them what team that is? Or
No.
no, I don't think so. And some base. All base. Mini is Beltran. Walk-off winners, Gonzalez.
He
Diamondbacks.
is, isn't he, Eric? I didn't even think about that.
What?
2 for 2 with 101 tonight.
We're gonna be doing it all night. We had a mini Bundy. The Queen's throwback Weaver. And some base.
Almost, Nate. Almost. We think so, Shane. It might be tomorrow
Base.
morning. We'll have to see how the
Kendrick.
last 3 packs go.
Another high numbered short print. Mataroski. And some base. I really want to open those mini cards.
Ooh. Ooh.
Don Sutton. Mini. And we got Clayton Kershaw. Game used memorabilia.
Low numbered.
Is it?
I believe so.
Oh, wow. 25 of 25. Look at that.
it.
That's pretty cool. Going to the Dodgers. Damian SMI.
Nice, Damien. Nice hit.
Picking up the Kershaw. That's a big piece. That's some base.
What the midget book? We might have to push that to Monday.
What?
The midget book.
Mini. Bench.
It is the second one, isn't it, Eric? I thought so when I saw it.
Gambiti.
Giambi,
Giambi.
the great Gambini.
Base. Mini. I can't.
Kluber.
Kluber. Ahoy. Ahoy.
Aoki.
Is that Ahoy? Okay. And some base.
What'd you say?
Ahoy.
Aoki.
Aoki.
Norichika.
Where do they find these guys? It's like,
Japan.
who has the most difficult last name? You're coming to play baseball. Alright, this is what I'm interested in. Is there anything good in these? Or?
Can be.
Well, this is like not made for my
They're
hands.
all variations.
Harper. Set him right here or no?
Yeah.
Reyes. Ortiz. Smoltz. Verlander. Braves.
Ahoy.
Aaron.
Hank
Aaron. Stanton.
Giancarlo.
Muso? Marchul? What did you say?
Murray Shaw.
Murray Shaw.
Greg Gambini.
Kipnis. And Springer. Sweet Lord, that's done. I've never been more happy.
The Great Gambini. What is this?
Those are more base. You set them up this side.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for Gypsy Queen number 20. Painstakingly long break. Oh, we got to do a quick randomization.
What?
For the steel.
Yeah, I'll put that away.
All right. You're giving away Reggie's cards? Wrong button.
There's a random on this one.
Is that how that works? That's right. The non-team ones go to whoever had the most. The most. You are correct, Eric. Hold on. Let me see. We got Eric got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bo has 1, 2, 3. Reggie's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I believe, yes, Eric, it is yours. Eric, H-I-L.
Eric, H-I-L.
Yeah, Reggie had the Tigers. So, Eric, you got the Steel Mini. You are correct. All right. I believe we can get going with the bash.